You address time, but not space. Remember, we, the planet, the solar system, is so small by any stretch of the imagination. To think we are part of any plan is ridiculous. Maybe that's not a nice thing to say, and I don't mean it personally, as your video is nicely put together, but I think your sense of scale is way off. It's likely you suffer from the same thing we all do, which is brashly assuming we are pretty darn important. We are not all that important in the cosmic scale of things.
The writer does have a point. As we turn our telescopes to the heavens, we see that we're just a little rock twirling around a medium-sized star. We see that this solar system is nothing but a speck of dust on the far-flung arm of 1,000,000 stars in a spiraling galaxy. And this galaxy is just a speck of light in a collection of 1,000 galaxies, all mere stardust, and an even bigger collection of galaxies, one we call the universe, and of which we don't even know the boundaries. The sheer magnitude can make one feel very insignificant. But what if we look at this from the reverse side? For all the stars we've mapped, we are yet to find any other life at all. And even if someday we do find life elsewhere, the fact still remains it is incredibly rare and unique. Life only exists within an unbelievably narrow band of conditions. Place the Earth 1,000 miles this way or that way. Make the sun a little bigger or a little smaller. Make it a little less or a little more active, and there would be no life at all. Our present understanding of gravity and dark matter reveals that the given position of our planet isn't simply the unique conditions of our solar system, it is actually and ultimately the influence of the galaxy as a whole. That means it has taken the right conditions of not just one solar system, but the entire galaxy, millions upon millions of stars, to produce this one cosmic speck of life. The insight is correct about the cosmic scale, but the conclusion may be backwards. The cosmic scale of things doesn't make life insignificant, it makes it unbelievably precious. No one can argue that the universe isn't ordered. Its total of mass energy never changes. The laws of physics are absolute and predictable. The heavenly bodies align themselves in systems. Order implies design, and design denotes a creator. If life is the rare jewel of the universe, it is no leap to see it as the creative capstone. Would it be so surprising then that this creator might go one step further and create one of his creatures more in his image than any other? And if he did so, wouldn't the most underlining feature be sentience? When we look at the scale of creation, we do not see the value of humanity based on ourselves, but based on the value placed upon us by our Creator. Of course, if there is no designer, our importance, well, it is very much up in question. But still, considering the order, the precision, and the life, the question really becomes, isn't it more ridiculous to discount a designer?